Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to buy UC in PUBG Mobile. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. UC is the main currency in PUBG as you may all know, and the simplest way to buy it is to log in, and the main homepage screen you're going to go to the top right where you can see the icons, and then from here you're going to click on the plus sign that is next to the UC number. Once you do so, it's going to show you this main homepage, which is going to introduce for you multiple packages with their pricing directly. And so once you click on any of them, for example the smallest package 60 UC, and so once you click on any of them you can choose your payment method and exactly how you're going to pay with it, either with your credit card, bank account, or even using JazzCash. And so from here, once you choose any of them, it's going to take 2 minutes to just process and buy it, and then once you refresh the page, then your new points will be appearing on the top right and you will have your UC points delivered directly to you. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.